Are you bored, frustrated, or just plain done with Chimp Maniac? Well, try out our brand new bootleg fan games. We've got Pattis Monkey Racers VR. Invite your friends and challenge them in a race to see who's the fastest Pattis monkey of them all. And if you win, you'll get a special prize like banana rock candy, sweet banana yogurt, and maybe even a rare prize. Next up, we've got Ice Chimp Skaters VR. Grab your friends and hit the ice. We even have a game mode called Freeze Tag. If you're the freezer and you tag someone, they get trapped in ice. Someone has to unfreeze them or they stay stuck. If the freezer freezes everyone, the game's over. But if you're a survivor, your goal is simple. Don't get frozen. And last but definitely not least, we've got Gigantopithecus Destroyers. Become a massive, unstoppable gorilla. Smash towns, crush the environment, wreak havoc on the people, the houses, the stores, the buildings, the malls, and all that other fun stuff. So grab all these fan games at...
Hello there, buddy. Come with me and play my fan games.
Whoa, it's just something.
The first game that we are going to play is
but
Pattis Monkey Racers.
Pattis Monkey Racers. Sounds like a fun game, but... Ooh, look at that. A new guest has joined this lobby. Hello there. I am the Pattis Monkey. I am faster than another monkey to another age. I'm always in first place, and right now, I have done 10,874 octillion, 891 septillion, 895 sextillion, 11 quintillion, 415 quadrillion, 363 trillion, 246 billion, 423,632,114 laps today. And I am very good at this game. And, wait a minute, your player model looks so off-topic and different. You look like the player model from Chimp Maniac. How did you get into our world? Is this some sort of dream, or is this a hacker? Hold on a second, I'll be right back. Mom? What? Can you do something? Is it just one of those weird guys that are being real clear? No, Ma, it's just... forget it. I don't want you to just yell at this guy. I mean, whatever. Sorry, I was just trying to ask my mom if you were a hacker, but... whatever. Anyways, wanna start the race? Okie dokie! Let's go and start the race. Okay. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, sh**! Is it just me, or did these platforms just, I don't know, let's just keep racing. What? How did you win? I never lose any laps in this game. How? Those platforms, they are not supposed to be in the game. I'm not good at parkouring. I'm only good at just running. You ruined my win streak. I have never lost a race before. I never lose this game. It's all your fault. When I win this next lap, I will turn you into rotten, dead meat. Get it? Now, let the next lap begin in 3, 2, go! Ha! Fucking loser. No, 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 no! God damn it! You will regret it when you win this final lap, kid. This final lap will begin in 3, go! No! 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 That is it! You will regret winning me! What was that? I don't know, maybe the floor is cracking. Oh no.
Ooh, we have a special guest. Hi, my name is Ice Chimp. It's so nice to meet you. You look really different. You look just like the Chimp Maniac player model. Well, I'm so happy to see you. I haven't seen many people around here. Do you want to play freeze tag with me? Okay, well, I think you won that round. Well, I don't care if I lost. I lose all the time. Oh, you're gonna be the tagger this round. Let's start round 2. 3, 2, 1. Catch me if you can. Well, looks like you beat me again. Want to start round 3?